Okay guys, so I went straight in with it today with no awkward wave, just starting off with the eyebrows. Using P. Louise base, I then set my eyes for colour. Using the brightest shade of pink in the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, I then began my eyes. Using the same palette, the NYX Ultimate Brights, I used the lilac-y shade to blend out the edges. I then began to cut the crease. I used Vaseline to take off most of the eyeshadow where I didn't want, and then I used micellar water across the eye to cut it. As I only cut half of the crease, I then used the Lorac Pro Artistry book and used the shade Pegasus to place on the crease. It's highlighter time! Using the Collection glitter eyeliner, I then began to line my eyes. Time to conceal and foundation. Then set it all down with powder. Contour / bronze the face, whichever one makes you happy. Now highlight them cheekbones. And of course, the nose and the Cupid's bow. Apply a bit of lippy and you're complete. So here is the final product. I then did adapt the makeup and went over the glitter eyeliner with black NYX liner and used the Collection glitter eyeliner to go over the crease. Don't forget to like, rate, comment and subscribe. Much love. Bye.